electric field intensity due to a thick infinite plane sheet of charge. In this case, this is what infinite thick, not thin, it should be thick infinite plane sheet of charge. Infinite plane sheet of charge. And we have to consider that positive charge is uniformly distributed on the two sides of this thick infinite plane sheet of charge. This has first surface and second surface. In this case, if unit positive charge is placed here, then first surface has surface charge density sigma 1 as sigma, and second surface has surface charge density, that will be same, sigma 2 equal to sigma. Unit positive charge will be repelled with a force E1 and E2. E1 is the field intensity due to the charge on the first surface of this thick infinite plane sheet of charge. E2 is the field intensity due to the charge on the second surface. This is first surface and this is second surface. Second surface of the plane sheet of charge. So hence what we can say that the electric field intensity at P due to the thick infinite plane sheet of charge is given by E, that will be E1. The electric field intensity at P due to the thick infinite plane sheet of charge is given by E equal to E1 plus E2. So here E1 is the field intensity at P due to the charge on the first surface of the thick plane sheet of charge, and E2 is the field intensity at P due to the charge on the second surface of this thick infinite plane sheet of charge. And they are acting in the same direction, that's why they are added. And two surfaces have the same type of charges, positive charges. So if we put the expression, then find a sigma by 2 epsilon 0 plus sigma by 2 epsilon 0. Therefore, we get the expression of electric field intensity due to a thick infinite plane sheet of charge as sigma by epsilon 0. So this is due to a thick, plane sheet of charge. Plane sheet of charge. And this is thick infinite plane sheet of charge, and the charge exists on the both sides of the infinite plane sheet of charge. Here we can assume that as the infinite plane sheet of charge is thick, that is of uniform thickness, comma, the charge exists on both sides of the sheets. That is important. Sheet, not sheets, it should be sheet. That is an important conclusion.